Turkey breast could be a lean, solid meat choice, and buying the proper one can make a huge contrast in your suppers. Here's a fast direct to assist you purchase the leading turkey breast for your needs. Step 1. Choose between new or solidified turkey breast. When acquiring turkey breast, the primary choice is whether you need it new or solidified. New turkey breasts are ordinarily sold within the refrigerated segment of the store, whereas solidified turkey breasts are frequently found within the solidified nourishment walkway. New turkey breast is perfect in case you arrange to cook it before long, whereas solidified is awesome on the off chance that you need to store it for afterward utilize. Be beyond any doubt to check the sell-by date in the event that you're obtaining new turkey. Step 2. Select between bone-in or boneless. Turkey breasts come in two fundamental sorts, bone-in and boneless. Bone-in turkey breasts tend to have more flavor and dampness due to the bone, whereas boneless turkey breasts are less demanding to cook and carve. Select based on your cooking inclinations and the sum of meat you would like. Boneless is incredible for faster suppers, whereas bone-in may be way better for simmering. Step 3. Check for quality and bundling. Hunt for turkey breasts that are well packaged, with no unmistakable tears or harm to the bundling. Check the meat's color. Turkey breast ought to be pale pink to light ruddy, with no signs of discoloration. In the event that you're buying solidified turkey breast, make beyond any doubt there's no cooler burn, which can influence the taste and surface. On the off chance that you've got the choice, select natural or free-range turkey for higher quality. Step 4. Compare costs and shop around. Turkey breast costs can shift depending on whether it's new, solidified, boneless, or natural. Compare costs at distinctive stores or online to discover the leading bargain. Bigger basic supply stores or butcher shops may have more choices and way better costs for high-quality turkey breast. Step 5. Purchase from trustworthy sources. In the event that conceivable, purchase your turkey breast from a legitimate source like a trusted basic supply store or butcher. These retailers are more likely to offer new, high-quality items. You'll be able moreover arrange turkey breast online from certified suppliers, particularly in the event that you need particular cuts or sizes.